Located on a quiet, idyllic street just 20 minutes outside of Nashville, this is the location of our latest listing.
This home is located in the Clover Glenn community, which is just a short 8 minutes from the Tanger Outlets, as well as 10 minutes to downtown Nolensville.
So before we go take a look inside, let's actually take a look at this community and see why it is so desirable. Now, when it comes to some of the amenities in this community, you have a great pool with a sun shelf, plus a pavilion.
There's also sidewalks throughout, as well as green spaces, making it perfect for evening strolls and hanging out with friends.
And from what the neighbors tell us, this is a really tight-knit community where all the neighbors look out for one another. Welcome to 4108 Crimson Hop Drive.
Inside this charming home, we've got 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and just over 2,100 square feet of living space.
This is a great neutral palette and large bedrooms, so let's go inside and take a look. Come on inside. Now, as you come through the front door, you're welcomed into this lovely open living space, plenty of natural light just streaming in through the windows, and then it brings you over to this great dining space, which is large enough for a full-size table, and it makes it great and easily accessible from the kitchen. And then a couple of things to note about this space is you do have a large under the stairs pantry, which is great for storage. And then as we move over to this side, we do have this lovely outdoor seating area with a generous size fenced in side yard. So the kitchen really is the heart of the home, and I love this kitchen from this good island space that you have here, the beautiful natural light through the windows, and you've got gas burners, which is hard to come by in a home like this, and it's a big selling feature.
Absolutely, and I also love that we've got the garage tucked right around the side. Makes it seamless when bringing in groceries and super convenient.
Absolutely. And you know, I love this space though because it is so like open and inviting, but it also feels really cozy at the same time.
It's perfect for entertaining, but this is only half of it. So let's go ahead and head upstairs.
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, so right off the stairs, we come to this wonderful landing space. This would make perfect for a home office or a reading nook, whatever fits your needs. Next, we come into the primary bedroom. This area is expansive and large enough to fit a seating area as well as a king-size bed. Right off the primary bedroom, we've got our ensuite bathroom with double vanities, a walk-in shower, as well as a large walk-in closet. Now, I don't know about you, but I love having close proximity to my laundry room, which is just a few steps off the primary suite. Then leading down this hallway, we've got fantastic storage closet, which leads into the secondary bedrooms, which are connected by a Jack and Jill bath.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of this single-family home with us.
If you'd like any additional information about this beautiful home or about the Clover Glenn community or a private showing, feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact information is below.
I'm Caitlin Martin.
I'm Tiffany Hadley.
We'll see you next time.